Hello everyone, I'm jdflutes. I'm just doing a sound sample on a bass C tune to 528 Hertz. 528 Hertz is the frequency of love. This flute here is actually a customer's flute. It's an oil finish. These flutes will come shiny if that's what you would like. This oil finish, it is really smooth and it just smells wonderfully. I love these oil finished flutes. This one here has been bored out using a gun drill. It was not been split. It's been bored out using a 1 1/4 inch bore. This customer here, they wanted me to add 1 turquoise stone at the bottom of the flute. And as you can see, the stone's pretty large. I think this one here is an 8mm stone. It's a genuine stone. It's high quality stones. The finger spacing, they're not really large, and they're pretty well close together. For the fetish, she wanted a hummingbird fetish with turquoise eyes. And I wrapped it with soft deer leather, black. Hummingbirds, I really love hummingbirds. That's probably my favorite bird of all. I love to see them every year when they come out. The hummingbirds, their symbolism of good luck. Just in case if you didn't know it. But like I said, this one here is an oil finish. It has like a little satin shine to it, as you can see. It's very smooth. 528 Hertz on the bottom. As you can see, we have jdflutes and the key and 528 Hertz. Written right on the bottom. Very nice. This flute here, I feel like it has a wonderful voice. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I noticed I didn't have a bass C 528 Hertz video. I make a lot of flutes for customers, and a lot of times I don't get time to do videos, but I do make the flutes. You know, you might not think I made those flutes. You know, just because you don't see them on the video, that doesn't mean I don't make them. I make a lot of flutes, folks. I make 528 Hertz with every key there is, except on the large bore end. I don't make the bass E, I think, with a large bore. I don't do that anymore. But every other key, all the 428 Hertz, you know, you might not see all the videos for all the different flutes, but I do make those flutes. So just shoot me an email and ask me, and I might surprise you. But I'm gonna let you hear what this here sounds like. I feel like it's got a nice voice. Let me know what you all think. Bass C, tuned to 528 Hertz, large bore. But I feel like it has a very nice voice. Just let me know what you all think. And if you would like to purchase a flute from me, just simply, I'll have my contact information below the video and also within the video, at the end of the video. You'll see my phone number and my emails. If you would like a complete price list with options to see what types of flutes that I do make, just shoot me an email and I'll send you back a list of prices and the list of options and the types of fetishes. This flute here will come with different types of fetishes. I'll email you photos of all of the fetishes that I do make. So the best way to contact me really to get all my prices is just by email. And a lot of times if I'm not busy or if I'm not on the road, you know, running errands or whatever, I'll email you within 5-10 minutes. You know, if I'm super busy, it just might take a little bit longer, but bear with me and I will get back to you. Especially on Sundays, I work so many hours during the week. Sundays, you just might not get an email back from me because I'm trying to spend a little bit of quality time with my family. But Monday morning, I will email you back. So just be patient. I hope everyone it's almost 4th of July. I hope everyone has a blessed 4th of July. Be safe, have plenty of fun, spend time with your family. That's the most important thing, is family. Money's not everything. You can have a lot of fun with your family without money. So just get out there and enjoy your family. You all have fun. Life's too short to be sitting around doing nothing. You know, get out and enjoy life a little bit. I plan to enjoy this 4th of July if God lets me live. So that's it. If you need a flute, If you would like a flute, I'll give you the best possible price that I can give. Thank you and have a wonderful day.